Hello everyone, I hope you all are healthy and safe. This video is about the introduction of a new chapter brought by the Axis, Mathematics Club of MIT Academy of Engineering. I am Simran Kohl, Club Secretary of the Axis, and here we present ULearn for You. ULearn is about video series on different topics under aptitude. We know that you guys are preparing for different competitive exams like GATE, GRE, aptitude, placements, and so on. So our club members have decided to prepare video series on different topics that come under aptitude in order to help you as much as we can. After each video series that we will be floating on our YouTube channel, we will be having a quiz on the same. The quiz will contain questions from the same topic that we are going to cover in the video series. So no need to worry about the syllabus, everything will be covered bit by bit. And the biggest advantage is that everyone is welcome. Whether you be a student, a teacher, or from any other professional background, we welcome you all to unleash your talent, show your skills, and practice and make learning fun. Every winner and participants scoring above 60% at the end would get certificate of appreciation and excellence respectively. Okay, so I think that this might be helpful for you. Now going about topics that we will cover. These are number theory, series, set theory, logical Venn diagram, simple equations, algebraic equations, simple and compound interest, trigonometry, permutations and combinations, probability, time and work, time, speed and distance, upstream, downstream, cubes and dices, coding, decoding, blood relation. Guys, if you have any suggestion or you want us to include more topics, please mention it in the comment box. We would really love to help you, and I hope that you would like it. Thank you from the Axis MIT Academy of Engineering.